My name is Viraj Kulkarni and I am here to talk about the Bandhan Healthcare Fund. The most obvious question is valuations aren't really cheap, so why look at this sector now? Healthcare continues to be a structurally important sector supported by strong long-term fundamentals. With India's fertility rate now below the replacement level of 2.1, we are at a very interesting demographic inflection point. From now, the median age of the population is expected to increase from 28 currently to around 38 by the year 2050. Similar demographic trends are happening globally as well. As our wealth increases, insurance penetration goes up, and we age, the demand for healthcare and related services will only grow up. The healthcare sector is expected to grow faster than the nominal GDP growth. Similar trends have played out in other markets as well. If we take the US, which is the largest healthcare market, from the period of 1970 to 2015, they went from a median age of 27 to 37. During this period, healthcare spends as a percentage of GDP jumped from 9% to more than 20%. The MSCI US Healthcare Index went up 8.5x during this period versus the S&P index going up only 4.5x. Similar trends can potentially play out in India because the healthcare spends of GDP today are only 3%. As this goes up over the period of the next 15-20 years, we should expect healthcare spends outpace the nominal GDP growth, which is a structural growth driver for the sector. Also, over the last decade, the sector has evolved quite a bit. Back in 2015, export generics accounted for nearly 68% of the BSE healthcare index. Today, that share has come down to 22% as companies have diversified and new companies get listed. Domestic formulations, CDMO, hospitals, each of these sub-segments form around 20 to 30% of the BSE healthcare index, giving a very wide array of investment products or investment avenues to the investor. The next question is, why look at the Bandhan Healthcare Fund now? The Bandhan Healthcare Fund aims to provide investors with diversified exposure to this evolving healthcare landscape. We don't plan to take a concentrated bet in any of the sub-segment, but the portfolio will be diversified across the 4 sub-segments: export generics, domestic formulations, CDMO, and hospitals, each contributing 20 to 30% of the overall mix. Within each of these sub-segments, we look at different parameters. All these 4 are very different business models, have different drivers and capital cycles. Our investment process will apply theme-specific selection criteria to identify investment opportunities within each space. A good diversified portfolio with strong bottom-up stock selection is what we will look to achieve. Rather than approaching this as a short-term or tactical sector allocation, the fund is designed to capture the structural long-term evolution of the Indian healthcare sector in a balanced and disciplined approach through a bottom-up stock selection process. Each of these segments has distinct business models, drivers, and capital cycles. Accordingly, our investment process will apply theme-based filters or stock selection criteria to identify opportunities within each space.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.